Hi, I'm Shea from Own Real Estate, and today we'll be discussing what happens during a final walkthrough. By this point in the home buying process, your offer has been accepted, you've completed your home inspections, and the appraisal has been done. You've now made it to the last step before you get your keys, the final walkthrough. The primary purpose of the final walkthrough is to make sure the home is completely vacant and free of all the seller's belongings, staging furniture, or anything else that was previously in the home. In addition to making sure things have been cleared out of the home, is to verify any repairs that have been needed to be done have been completed. During your home inspection process, if any issues arose that needed to be addressed, the final walkthrough is the period when you are able to confirm that the work has been finished and the home is move-in ready. The final walkthrough process can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour for a full check of the property. During this time, we are checking for a number of things to confirm that the house is in all working order. First, we're checking the electrical. It's important to verify that all of the electrical on the property is properly connected and operational. When checking electrical, we focus on turning on and off all the lights, verifying power to the outlets, and checking the breaker. Next, we'll take a look at the plumbing on the property, going through and flushing all toilets, turning on faucets and showers, and checking on a washer if the property has one allows you to verify that there are no plumbing issues that need to be addressed. Also check that the water pressure is good and that hot water is running during this. After confirming plumbing and electrical, it's important to turn on all appliances. Open the fridge, turn on the stove and oven, microwave, dishwasher, and washer and dryer if there is one. And make sure that everything is connected. You don't want to close and move in only to discover that your fridge isn't keeping food cold or that your stove doesn't work. Attention to detail is vital during the final walkthrough. Once you've taken a look at all the appliances, plumbing, and electrical, take the time to open all of the doors, windows, drawers, and cabinets. Discovering a sticky drawer or squeaky door during the final walkthrough allows for the time to have these details repaired before moving in. The most important thing to remember when doing your final walkthrough is to take your time and be very thorough. This is your chance to discover any extra issues the home may have and confirm that it's perfect and ready to close. If any issues do arise during your final walkthrough, it's key to work closely with your real estate agent to address problems quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to me, Shea, or the other team members on our team. We're always here to help and make your home buying process a little bit easier.